If you're over 50 and walking every day to stay healthy, you may be making simple mistakes that are quietly damaging your body. Walking is one of the best exercises for adults over 50. It supports heart health, helps control weight, improves mood, strengthens muscles, and keeps joints moving. But here's the truth most people never hear. Walking only helps when you do it correctly. Small mistakes repeated every day can slowly lead to knee pain, back discomfort, poor posture, balance problems, fatigue, and even injury. Today we're revealing 7 walking mistakes that are destroying your health after 50 and how to fix each one immediately. Make sure to stay until the end because mistake number 1 is the most dangerous and millions of adults do it every single day without realizing the damage. Let's begin. Number 7. Wearing the wrong shoes. This is one of the biggest hidden problems. Many adults keep wearing old sneakers, flat shoes, sandals, or shoes with worn-out soles. After age 50, your feet naturally lose some cushioning and flexibility. That means your shoes matter more than ever before. When your shoes don't support your feet properly, every step sends stress into your ankles, knees, hips, and lower back. That stress adds up over time. Signs your shoes may be hurting you include foot soreness after walks, knee stiffness, lower back pain, shin discomfort, or feeling tired quickly. Take a look at the bottom of your shoes. If one side is more worn than the other, it may also affect your walking alignment. Choose shoes with soft cushioning, good arch support, slip-resistant grip, and enough space for your toes. Replace old shoes regularly. Good shoes can reduce pain and protect your joints for years. Number 6. Looking down while walking. Many people walk while staring at the ground or checking their phone. This may seem harmless, but it creates poor posture. Your head moves forward, shoulders round inward, and the upper back tightens. Over time, this can cause neck pain, shoulder tension, headaches, poor breathing, and balance problems. When posture collapses, your body works harder with every step. You may feel more tired, even during short walks. Instead, keep your head up and look ahead several feet in front of you. Relax your shoulders. Keep your chest open. Imagine a string gently lifting the top of your head upward. This simple correction improves breathing, confidence, and walking efficiency. Good posture also helps you look younger and feel stronger. Number 5. Walking too fast too soon. Many people start their walk like a race. They leave the house and immediately try to power walk. That can be risky after 50. Muscles, tendons, and joints need time to warm up. Starting too fast can lead to calf tightness, knee pain, shortness of breath, dizziness, and early fatigue. Instead, begin slowly for the first 3 to 5 minutes. Let your body loosen naturally. Allow blood flow to increase. Then gradually pick up your pace. Think of it like warming up a car engine on a cold morning. A few minutes of patience can prevent weeks of pain. If you walk in the morning, this becomes even more important because the body is often stiffer after sleep. Start easy, then build momentum. Number 4. Taking tiny weak steps. Small dragging steps are common as people age. Sometimes it happens because of fear of falling. Other times it happens because muscles have weakened. But tiny weak steps create new problems. They reduce balance, lower mobility, decrease calorie burn, and make the hips and glutes weaker over time. Weak glutes can also increase lower back strain. Instead, aim for natural, confident steps. Not exaggerated long steps, not short shuffling steps. Just smooth, steady strides. Let the heel touch first, then roll through the foot naturally. Use a comfortable rhythm. If safe, gently swing your arms. Walking with confidence sends a signal to the body that it is still strong and capable. Movement quality matters more than speed. Number 3. Walking without using your arms. Many adults walk with stiff arms hanging at their sides. Some keep hands in pockets. Others barely move the upper body. But your arms are designed to help you walk. Natural arm swing improves balance, posture, rhythm, and forward momentum. It can also help you burn more calories and reduce strain on the legs. When arms stay frozen, walking becomes less efficient. Your legs do more work than necessary. Instead, bend the elbows slightly and let the arms swing naturally from front to back. Do not swing them across the body. Keep movements relaxed. This creates a smoother stride and better total body motion. You don't need exaggerated motion, just natural movement. It may feel strange at first, but it becomes automatic quickly. Number 2, walking the same flat route every day. Many people walk the same path at the same speed every single day. While consistency is good, the body adapts. When the body adapts too much, progress slows. You may stop improving stamina, leg strength, balance, and calorie burn. Walking becomes maintenance instead of growth. The fix is simple. Add variety. Try gentle hills. Use a treadmill incline. Walk in a park with curves or uneven surfaces. Change routes occasionally. Try intervals by walking faster for 1 minute, then slower for 2 minutes. Variation challenges the muscles and brain in healthy ways. It also makes walking less boring. Just increase difficulty gradually. There is no need to overdo it. Small changes create big results over time. Number 1. Ignoring pain signals. This is the most dangerous mistake of all. Many adults believe pain is normal with aging. Others think they must push through pain to get healthier. That mindset can turn a small problem into a serious injury. Pain is information. Your body uses pain to warn you when something is wrong. Never ignore sharp knee pain, hip pain, severe back pain, chest discomfort, dizziness, numbness, or unusual shortness of breath. Those are warning signs. If pain appears during walking, stop and assess. Rest if needed. Reduce pace. Check your shoes. Review your posture. If symptoms continue, speak with a healthcare professional. Walking should strengthen your body, not break it down. Smart walkers listen to their bodies. That is how they stay active for decades. Bonus tips for better walking after 50. Walk most days of the week, even if only 15 to 30 minutes. Consistency matters more than perfection. Stay hydrated, especially in warm weather. Wear supportive shoes. Stand tall. Use your arms. Warm up slowly. Stretch calves, hips, and hamstrings after walking. If you feel tired one day, shorten the walk instead of skipping movement completely. Some movement is almost always better than none. And remember, walking after meals can also support blood sugar control and digestion. Even a 10-minute walk after dinner can help. Final thoughts. Walking after 50 can be one of the most powerful tools for staying independent, energetic, and healthy. But only if you avoid these common mistakes. Fix your shoes. Lift your posture. Warm up slowly. Take stronger steps. Use your arms. Add variety. And most importantly, never ignore pain. Which mistake surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more science-backed health tips for adults over 50, subscribe now to Healthy Life Reset. Because it's never too late to reset your health and rebuild your life. See you in the next video.